Hello, kamusta? Today, I'm gonna show you which rice turns out healthier after soaking with my sourdough starter. The jasmine rice or the Japanese rice.
We Asians love white rice. For us, rice is life. But it's high in carbs and can cause quick sugar spikes. That's why I'm hacking this rice to make it gut-friendly with my sourdough starter. Let's prepare jasmine and Japanese rice for soaking. Then added a spoonful of my raw sourdough starter and water to soak. So I'm planning to soak this for 12 hours because longer soaks create more gut benefits, but even 6 hours helps. But why soak rice with sourdough starter? Because in 2023, researchers fermented rice using lactobacillus found in sourdough that's called lactic acid bacteria or LABs. These good bacteria eat some of the rice sugars and helps lower its glycemic impact.
Wow!
It's the next day now. The rice has been soaking for about 16 hours in total. Time to cook it. Cook it as usual in your rice cooker. I suggest adding a little less water or just follow your rice cooker's instruction. Now that it's cooked, let's see kung hindi siya naging soggy.
Here it is! After soaking for 16 hours, it cooked perfectly. Same texture, it's soft, fluffy, it's gut-friendly.
Here's the difference. Jasmine rice makes more resistant starch, while Japanese rice, which is softer and stickier, formed less. That's because its starch breaks down faster. Still, both are healthier than rice not soaked in starter. Starter-soaked rice gives a prebiotic boost. Slower digestion means steadier energy. Simple hack pero big impact. Your gut will thank you. Try it yourself and tell me, are you Team Jasmine or Team Japanese?
Mas kain tayo! It's so good.
So if you love rice but want a gut-friendlier version, try soaking it with your sourdough starter next time.